Are you thinking about a wig? Are you thinking about wearing a wig? Oh my gosh, I'm Sparky Sparks and I always have new hair. I wrote a book especially for you. Yes, it's called Wig Wisdom. And in this book, I talk about a little bit about my story, but the whole second half is about how to wig. So if you're new to wigs and you'd like a comprehensive way to figure out how to do this and that you can go back to and look at and read over and over again, I've done it for you. I've written it down in one place. I've also included some line chapter pages at the very end so that you can keep notes, or if you're at a wig seminar, you can have addresses of other wig sisters. Let me show you a little bit about the book. Again, I wrote this book. It's called Wig Wisdom. It starts with my story and how I started. This is me.